Whoa. Today marks the December 31st. Oh, December 30th. Sorry. 2 more days to the end of 2020, and we're going to try to say goodbye to 2020 and welcome 2021. One tip for to end the year. Today is just a lucky break for us. Still overcast with no rain yet, but today it's a extra day for us to be coming out. But one tip for you, all of our mushroom enthusiasts and shroomers, one of the tip that, whoa, you can see this is dangerous. When the wind picks up, it's time for you to go home. See, with a tree moving around, that's very, very dangerous. So one old saying is, when you seen the wind pick up, time to head home. So, I don't want to push my luck anymore than I have to. Good thing is I got a bunch of orange jelly or witch butter, whichever you guys want to call it, for our year-end dessert. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the new year 2021, and hopefully the mushroom will have a nice break. See, the wind comes down again, but as you can see, trees do get picked up and uprooted fairly easily, because the root system on the on this pines and evergreens are fairly shallow. So please be careful out there. Yeah, when the wind picks up, that means time to go home.